Hello everyone! Today we will make delicious sweet and spicy fishball sauce. But this dipping sauce, it's not just for fishball. You can also dip KWEK-KWEK, KIKIAM or squid balls. So, let's begin! In a medium heat pot, add all the ingredients: water, soy sauce, minced garlic, chopped onions, sugar, flour, chili pepper. Add also the cornstarch. Dissolve it in 1 tablespoon of water. Salt, some black pepper powder, and vinegar. Mix continuously for about 5 to 6 minutes. Wow, it smells good. After 5 to 6 minutes, it's done. Let it cool. I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe. That's all for now. See you next time. Bye!